The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Bus is not just a vehicle, it's a declaration that even the road to adventure can be carved with speed, luxury, and Italian finesse. This groundbreaking creation defies every traditional concept of a motorhome, delivering an experience that merges Ferrari's DNA of high-performance motoring with the comfort and utility of a luxury RV. It's the first time in history that Ferrari has extended its legendary design philosophy and racing heritage into the realm of motorhomes, and the result is nothing short of jaw-dropping dot from the outside. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Bus demands attention. Like a supercar cruising down the streets of Monaco, the body is crafted with aerodynamic precision, flaunting carbon fiber panels, sculpted air intakes, and flowing lines inspired by Ferrari's latest hypercars. A deep front fascia boasts aggressive LED headlights, a pronounced Ferrari emblem, and a signature grille that evokes both speed and sophistication. The roofline is subtly arched to maximize interior height without compromising aerodynamic efficiency. Massive alloy wheels, a rear diffuser, and quad exhaust further assert this is no ordinary RV, it's a Ferrari masterpiece on wheels. Underneath this sleek exterior lies an engineering marvel. The motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors, delivering an astounding 1,000 horsepower. This means the Ferrari motorhome isn't just about comfort. Instead, it can accelerate faster than some sports cars with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 4 seconds. Adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, carbon ceramic brakes, and intelligent drive modes ensure a stable and confident ride. Whether cruising through mountain roads or gliding down the highway, it's the only motorhome in the world that can rival a Ferrari SF90 in spirit while still offering the comforts of a 5-star hotel inside. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome redefines luxury living on the road. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by an atmosphere that combines futuristic elegance with Ferrari's traditional craftsmanship. The entire interior is wrapped in premium materials Alcantara, Napa leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, all seamlessly integrated with ambient LED lighting. The color palette is highly customizable, but the signature red and black Ferrari theme stands out as a favorite among enthusiasts. Touch-sensitive panels control everything from lighting to climate to entertainment, while a massive panoramic glass roof floods the space with natural light during the day and reveals the stars at night. The layout is intelligently designed for both comfort and functionality. The front lounge area features recliner-style seating with massage and ventilation functions, along with a fold-out old TV and surround sound system tuned by Ferrari's in-house audio engineers. The living room can convert into a cinema space or a social lounge with ease. Behind this is a fully equipped kitchen that mirrors the sleekness of a Ferrari cockpit. High-gloss cabinets, an induction stove, a compact wine cellar, a smart refrigerator, and an espresso machine make it ideal for gourmet cooking even while parked at the racetrack. The sleeping quarters are no less impressive. A king-size retractable bed with memory foam mattress, temperature-regulating bedding, and motorized blackout shades ensures restful sleep anywhere on Earth. Ambient lighting, personal entertainment screens, and smart privacy partitions offer a sanctuary that rivals top hotel suites. Additional sleeping space can be configured for guests, thanks to extendable sections and convertible seating arrangements. One of the standout features of this Ferrari motorhome is its integrated garage at the rear, a hydraulic platform capable of housing a compact Ferrari like a 296 GTB or even an electric scooter branded by Ferrari. Owners can bring their track car or city cruiser along for the ride. The garage area doubles as a showcase with LED-lit walls, glass panels, and climate control to store your pride and joy like a work of art. Tech-wise, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Bus is a marvel. It's outfitted with Ferrari's eye-based travel assistant that monitors driving behavior, suggests optimal rest stops, adjusts cabin conditions in real time, and offers detailed road mapping using Ferrari's own navigation intelligence. Voice commands activate all major functions, while 5G connectivity and satellite integration ensure you're always connected. No matter where your journey takes you, security is tight, with facial recognition, biometric locks, and surveillance. Drones included as part of the standard package. Ferrari has also emphasized sustainability in this model. The hybrid drivetrain allows for near-silent electric-only cruising for short distances, perfect for urban environments or campgrounds. Solar panels on the roof charge auxiliary systems, reducing the need for generator power. All materials used are responsibly sourced, and Ferrari promises a carbon offset program with every purchase. Production of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome will be extremely limited. Only 66 units will be handcrafted in Maranello, and each one will be fully customized to the buyer's preferences. From upholstery stitching to dashboard configuration, owners will be involved in the design process just like they would be with a bespoke Ferrari, LaFerrari, or Monza SP2. The price tag? Reports suggest it starts at around $4 million, but given the level of exclusivity and innovation, collectors and Ferrari fans are ready to pay a premium for a vehicle that may never be replicated. Again, critics have called it ambitious, outrageous, and even insane, but everyone agrees that it's the most exciting motorhome ever created. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Bus is not just transportation, it's a celebration of the Ferrari lifestyle. It brings the roar of Maranello into the wilderness, onto racetracks, and across continents with unmatched grace and performance. For the few lucky enough to own one, the open road has never felt so exhilarating. Whether parked on the cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, cruising down Route 66, or attending a motorsport weekend in Monaco, this vehicle ensures you'll arrive in a style that only Ferrari could deliver. In the end, this is more than a motorhome. It's a revolution on wheels, blending passion, technology, comfort, and legacy in a way that only Ferrari dares to dream. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Bus is not just the future of luxury travel, it's a new chapter in automotive history.